You can use the scheduler to send automated messages. A good example is a summary of important messages that you would like to send out daily at a fixed time. The scheduler then sends the current content, for example retrieved from an RSS feed, to the set target group at the desired time. To do this, call up the Delivery and Scheduler area in the menu. Assign a name and optionally a description for the campaign. You can now see an overview of the current status and, at the top, the settings areas that still need to be prepared and defined. We will now go through these step by step. First, click on Define Campaign. In addition to the name, client, and newsletter, the selection of the message template is the central setting here. The template must be created separately in advance and specifies the structure of your newsletter and the current content. The content is taken, for example, from an RSS feed that is retrieved at the time of dispatch. The successful and complete saving of the settings is also indicated by the tick. In the next section, you must select the target group and set additional filters if desired. Please note that this should be an auto-target group in which subscriptions and unsubscriptions are processed automatically, ensuring that the target group is always up to date. Now enter the delivery time and, if desired, a delay for the test delivery. In our example, the test delivery would be at 6 p.m. and the actual delivery would be at 6:05 p.m. with a delay of 5 minutes. Use the interval settings to specify on which days deliveries should be made. In our example, on all calendar days from Monday to Friday. The delivery date is determined by the interval settings. Finally, you can set the duration to specify whether the campaigns should run for an unlimited period or only during a specific time period. Once all fields have been confirmed with a tick, you can activate the scheduler event. Here, you can choose whether a test delivery should be made before the actual delivery. The overview now shows you the upcoming execution dates. By clicking on an event, you can edit it individually if necessary or alternatively deactivate it separately via the menu in the list.